Hi, I'm Pat. I wanted to tell you why I like Honeyskin products so much. I am in my 70s, and when you reach this age, you wake up every morning and you look on your face to see if they have any unusual things have happened. A friend of mine calls these little places barnacles, and since I've started using the Honeyskin moisturizer, I'm noticing that these places are less noticeable. Being a nurse, I have known for years the advantages of skin with Manuka honey. Had not ever had an opportunity to use the Manuka honey, so I'm so pleased to find it in a moisturizer. I'm sharing this with my friends and enjoy it so much. I like when you put it on and in just a minute you don't feel any residue or anything left on your skin. It just feels nice and soft. Thank you for allowing me this opportunity.